down. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We're out here at the OS27, the Frontier. This is a Norwood line. This is their entry-level mill line that I've modified. But before we get cutting today, I have some white oak on the deck, and I'm going to do 2 logs. I have some stickers. This past weekend, we were at the Paul Bunyan show. Met up with a lot of great guys, a lot of great YouTubers as well. A couple of them passed out some stickers. One of these days, maybe I'll get into that sticker game, but I haven't gotten into it yet. Maybe soon. But the first one we're going to put on the Frontier OS27. This gentleman also has a Frontier mill. His name's Scott from Bean Creek Woodworks. He's down in southern Michigan. I've been following him for a few years now. He has an OS31 and a Wallenstein log splitter, or I'm sorry, a wood processor. It's kind of, the Wallenstein wood processor is kind of how I fashioned my wood processor up, where it pulls the logs with a winch and you use your own saw. So we're gonna put Bean Creek. I wrinkled this, Scott, somehow, but let me show you his sticker. Hopefully you can see that. Bean Creek Woodwork. We'll put him right next to Back 40 Firewood. Oh, I might need my glasses for this. All right, maybe that will help. It's a real problem as we age, for some of us. All right. Bean Creek. Go give him a follow. He's another sawmill guy and does a great job with his sawmill. And all things woodworking. And a super cat. He's a really nice guy. Getting those wrinkles out, Scott. The next is in the backyard with Dell. This guy inspired me. He's another knee recovering patient, and I can't tell you how much he inspired me about my knee surgery. It really relieved a lot of anxiety going into into my knee surgery watching his videos. He's just like us, another wood cutting guy, but he's also a heck of a small engine mechanic all around, and a heck of a fisherman. Builds his own lures, all that stuff. But in the backyard with Dell, very inspiring man. What he's done for me mentally when I was getting my knee done, I can't thank him enough. So we're gonna put him right next to the state troopers. That's my son. All right. All right. And I didn't mention it when I put this guy on. I completely forgot about it. Geezer in the Woods. If you haven't checked out his channel, he's an older gentleman, probably not much old. Sorry, Geezer. He's probably 10 or 15, maybe 10 or 15 years older than me. I'm just guessing. He gets around great, does some firewood, cutting down trees, freedom-loving, spreading freedom seeds all over as well. So what do we have here now? We have Tranquil Waters, Back 40 Firewood. That's Dan. This is my daughter's Airbnb. Bean Creek, Todd's outside again, Michigan State Police, Geezer in the Woods, and in the backyard with Dell. If you want your sticker up here, address is in the description of the channel. Let's get this going. I can't talk all day. Oh, yes, I can. All right, so these are these 3 logs next are 12-footers. Then we have a 10-foot 6, and then like an 8.5-foot that I need various boards. They're all going to be 1-inch boards. We're doing these first 2 logs today, but we're going to see how many board feet we have here. Oh boy, we're barely going to get a 7-inch cant. It's an 11-inch log. So we're going to get a 7-inch cant, and we're going to get some waning on it. That's the small side. All right, so a whopping 37 board feet, guys. While we're at it, might as well scale this one. All right, this one's gonna be 16 inches, 108 board feet. That makes a little more sense. $15 on this side. Okay, so we're gonna call it between 91 and 108. So we're gonna call it 100 board feet in this, because that side's 15, this side's 16. This is hard, dry white oak. This has been down for a few years. I don't have my battery, so I have to use the log turner. I just realized the battery's out on my well pump, watering my food plot. All right, looks all right. See what we can get out of this. I have another one in the garage. I'll go get it here for the next log. That next one's really big. These are pretty light. Like I said, I'm only doing these 2 logs today. We have 5 on the deck, 4 more after this one. All right, how did it sit? I'm listening to Every Day with Me, Nick, or Wavy Wood Sawmills right now. I was just chatting with them on WhatsApp. All right, let's make some boards, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this up, and when I turn this up, I'll take the slab off the opening cut, and then I'll take a couple of boards until I get to my 6-inch backstops, then I'll flip it over. Don't need the log turner, like I mentioned for this guy. Small log, plus I don't have the battery. Ooh, that's getting a little gummy. Let's get a little oil on that thing and check for square 2. Oh, there it is. Oh, you know what? Put a little bit on here. So let's go up to 9. Oh, let's go to 10. 11. See what it looks like. I just want to get some oil on some things here, guys. I usually put a little ATF on everything. I know some guys don't like to do that, but I do. Just to run through the oil. Then down to 11. I'm sorry, 10. 10. Blade guide in. A little more. Here we go, throttle up. All right, I like the speed we're cutting at. We're moving right along. All right, this log's done. I'll get this stacked up. I actually have to move that stack as high as I can go, then we'll get the next log out. What you playing?
Football.
Football?
Hey, tell them, what did we just watch on my phone? Who was on it?
I don't know.
Who?
Nick and Bubba.
Nick and Bubba?
At the Paul
Paul.
Bunyan Show. Paul Bunyan Show, he just watched it. He said, hey, there's Nick. That was a good throw.
Watch me, Bubba.
Watch. Set, we do a hand up. Hut, hut.
Touchdown! Raylan! This is dirty. There you have it, guys. We have 17, which is 119 board feet of these 1x7s. So it turned out pretty well, really close to what we scaled, wasn't it? Not bad. This is white oak decking I mentioned for my deck that had that treated lumber, womanized lumber, some call it, rotted right out. After about 10 years, it started just falling apart. We did stain it every year for about the first 6 years, and we just saw it going downhill. So I put one of those really thick, heavy coat, and it still didn't last. So we're gonna reskin the whole thing with white oak. Hopefully this will be good get us many, many years. This is also, I'm gonna treat all this. I don't know how I'm gonna treat it yet, but we'll figure out treating it. Oh, my dog must be chasing rabbits and chipmunks in the wood yard. So guys, if you like this content, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment. I like interacting with you guys. Share it with a friend, but none of that's necessary. Just thanks for watching. If you got this far, man, I appreciate it. Take care. I was just about to say something else, but we'll go with it. Take care. We'll see you out here next time. I'll probably be out here early. It's Friday. You'll see this in a couple weeks. I'll finish them up.